Yeah? What are you doing?
Reading a book.
Oh, you want to watch a scary movie?
Sure, but we might have to go talk to Mommy and Papi because we get scared a lot, so we might have to go talk to them.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Mom, Dad, can we watch a scary movie today?
Yeah, sure. Just be careful and don't get scared.
Okay.
We won't.
Okay.
Thank you.
We'll let you know when you go to sleep. I love you.
This is scary.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah. The heck was that?
Whoa! Whoa! Who is that? What's that?
What the heck?
What is that? Whoa! What is that?
Why is it red?
What is it? Is that? Whoa, who is that?
Yes,
Yes,
Mom?
Mom?
Okay, guys, it's time to brush your teeth and go to sleep. I love you.
Love you too.
Okay.
Brush teeth. Yep.
Wait. Are you scared?
No. Calm down.
Okay. Wait, did you hear that?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Good night.
Good night.
Wait, Andre, you're right.
I told you. Let's go check. Wait, but I'm scared. And aren't Mommy and Papi already sleeping?
Yeah.
It's fine. Let's just go check.
Okay. I'm scared.
Yeah, me too. But